Hey guys, welcome back to Room 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're about a brand new benchmark. So I'll be testing out Resident Evil 4 for the Nintendo Switch because reasons. I don't know. I'll be testing it out on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. If you're new to the channel, this is simply to show the progress of the YUZU emulator. That's the only reason I'm testing it out on this. So that's why we're playing everything on default settings. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Yeah, so we are on default and we're playing Resident Evil 4 because I just had to test this out. Let's see what this can do. I'm quite impressed, to be honest with you, because this is the first time I'm actually playing the game. There is no shaders that have already been compiled, and the game is running at 60 FPS right off the bat. Impressive for the YUZU emulator, I must say. Considering most games hit me with that, yeah, you gonna stutter a bit, son. You gonna stutter a bit, son. This seems to be running fine though. Boy, whenever I play Resident Evil 4, I realize these controls aren't the best for me. And I should know I beat Resident Evil 4 on my channel. You can go check that out as well. Good times. But it is running well. The game does look quite nice as well. 2005 game, man. They've released this crap on everything, ain't it? I love Resident Evil 4. Great game. Great game. Even though I only played it like a couple years back. Bro, from the first time I heard him, I would have ran away. I was like, nope.
Sorry to have bothered.
It's crazy how the YUZU emulator takes up so much RAM. So this is running like this. It's over 6 gigs. Like Resident Evil 4 doesn't take up 6 gigs on PC. I tested it. It doesn't take up 6 gigs on PC. It's crazy. I'm gonna need you to not do that real quick. I'm gonna need you to back up in the name of love. All that stuff. That's not good.
Shit.
Is everything okay?
There was a hostile local. I had no choice but to neutralize it. There are still others surrounding the area.
Get out of there and head toward the village. Take whatever measures necessary to save the subject.
Understood.
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Oh crap. Controls, man. Controls. Tricky. They'll get you. I can't believe it. In that one moment, instead of I can't believe I reloaded there. Alright, no turn. Alright, good. Keep forgetting which button's which, but nonetheless, it's running. I have no more ammo. Yikes. Just remember, Y is X. I think I will take this. I'll also take this ammo. I need it. There's no reason for me to save. Resident Evil 4, man, it'll get ya. It'll get ya. Here, my friend. Wow, you took up a lot of frames. You see, that's when it has to compile the shaders. It'll do stuff like that, where the frame rate just goes, nope. Like all of this. See, the frame rate has tanked like crazy now. Then it built itself back up. I'm gonna just walk in the middle. Bro, look, bro, I kinda like that he slid down there. I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty happy about him sliding down there. That looked nice. So as we can see, Resident Evil 4 is a hit. Now, why would you want to play this on the Switch? I don't know, but hey, it runs. That's literally the point of the video. I don't know, man. It runs. I believe there's one in a shed somewhere that's trying to jump scare me. Okay, not. Oh, right, remember that. I still got scared as hell just so. There's one around here. There's one that is naturally inside one of the sheds. I just couldn't remember which. Aim. There you go. There you go. I'm shooting crazy because it doesn't really matter. This is the last time you'll see me on this. I have no time for aiming. Look at them waiting for me. Hi guys. Don't run. I can be your friend. All right here. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. You try to pull a fast one on old Javon, huh? Oh, he just randomly hits you. Interesting. I thought like I thought like he tried to jump, like, you know. I planned for that poorly. I thought like he'd see it coming and do something else, and then he didn't. Then he just hurt me, and now I'm in pain. Yeah, I feel like that's exactly what happened. I kind of messed that one up. I digress. Good as new. Let's just see how the whole village is when they get inside, and then we'll end there. This has been Resident Evil 4, guys. It runs. You want to play with some Switch controls? There you go.
How you holding up?
Bad question, Hunnigan.
Sorry to hear that. I'm sending you a playing manual. Hope you find it useful.
I'll take a look at it, thanks.
I don't think I will. Listen, I love the Resident Evil games to the point where the controls, when I played the earlier ones, the controls hurt me. They hurt me so much. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. And I will see you guys next time. Ouch. Can't be great for that guy. Hey, look at me. Oh, wow, that FPS just tank, dude. Hey. Hey, look at me. I'll see you guys next time. I'm about to die.